Hello 8D and everybody else watching this. This is a little video to kind of take you through what we're going to be doing in LH today if you guys were there in person. So all the other classes, 8E, ABC, you should have done this in class with the sub today. If you didn't, that's okay. They probably were having some tech issues and maybe you wrote a story instead. That's fine. We're just going to get through this week and then we will figure out how to, where everyone's at when I'm back, okay? So if you want to follow along on this video, it's just a review for camera angles and frames. I think we had a little bit of difficulty with that last week before Thanksgiving long weekend. So I just have a series of slides and it's just for you to have a piece of paper out and a pen, and you're going to quickly record what camera angle and frame you think it is. So here are your instructions. So like I said, put me on pause, take out a piece of paper such as a notepad or lined piece of paper, and just write, example number 1, what the camera angle is and what the frame. And then you can give yourself some bonus points if you can name what ad the image is from. So let's start with the first one. So this is your example 1. What is the camera angle and what's the frame? And if you want to get those bonus points, what is the commercial that this is from? On the next slide are the answers. So if you'd like, put me on pause right now. And once you're done and you have the answers, then we'll go to the next slide. And then I will go quite quickly through the rest because then I'm just expecting you to put me on pause while you're taking the time to record everything down, okay? So the correct answer for this is the camera angle is eye level, the frame is a medium shot, and the commercial is that Sabra hummus commercial, or Sabra hummus commercial with the, Charli D'Amelio and all of them. So that's number 1. If you got all 3 correct, so the camera angle, the frame, and the commercial, give yourself a 3 out of 3. All right, let's go to the next one. So what is the camera angle, frame, and commercial, if you can get it? Put me on pause. All right, here are the answers. It is low angle, medium close-up, and it's a Swiffer ad. This one, camera angle, frame, commercial. Put me on pause. The answers are it's a high angle, it's a medium close-up, and the ad is for the ShamWow commercial. This one, give me the camera angle, frame, and if you remember the commercial. The answer was eye level is your camera angle, frame is your long shot, and commercial is Evan. This one is the same commercial as before, but give me the camera angle and the frame, because those are different. Camera angle is high. The frame is extreme close-up, because we're just getting those details right on the desk. We can see all that etching. The commercial is Evan, just like we watched in class. Now this one, give me again, put me on pause and give me the camera angle, frame, commercial. The ad is for T-Mobile and it's an eye level close-up. This one here, put me on pause. The answer is, oh, my little face blocks it out. It's eye level. The frame is a medium shot and it's a Tide ad. Tide. What's this one here? And again, take all the time you need, right? If you want to put me on pause and take 5 minutes to think what these are, I'd rather have you know them really well when we come back together than just kind of skipping through the video quickly and not really learning these things, okay? So take a second, put me on pause. And the answers are, the camera angle is high angle, the frame is a medium shot, we can see his head to his waist, and the commercial is a Tide ad. This one here, it's an eye level shot. Now remember, eye level can be anything up and down, so long as it's level and not tilted, right, up or down. So it's an eye level long shot, and it's the Doritos Mountain Dew commercial. This one here. This is eye level, close up, Mountain Dew Doritos. If you said extreme close up, I mean, I could be nice and give it to you. It's just that we don't have the focus really in on the label or the, that kind of dew on the bottle. We can see it, but if we saw that tiny little writing actually in focus, like this stuff here, if that was in focus and you could really see every tiny little detail really clearly, then I'd say extreme close-up works. Otherwise, it's just a close-up. However, this one here, give me the camera angle frame. And if you can get it, I'd be amazed. But if you can, what commercial is it from? The answer is eye level, extreme close-up, and the Sprite commercial with LeBron James. So give yourself a bonus point if you got that one right. Congratulations. This one here. It's a high angle, extreme long shot, and it's a tourism ad for Australia. So that one with Chris Hemsworth that we watched in class. This one here. The answer is low angle, medium shot, M&Ms. And we know that it's a low angle because, again, that person is crouched down and the camera's tilting up. So we can see that Danny DeVito is a hero. He's excited. He's no longer a tiny M&M anymore. He's grown and he's really excited that, he's a human. So it does give that symbolism that a low angle shot would give. This one here. So again, camera angle frame commercial, if you can get it. It's eye level, long shot, and it's an ad for the NFL. And then last but not least, this one here. Put me on pause, take your time. This one is eye level, medium long shot for that famous Cardi B Pepsi commercial. So what I would like you to do, and this is probably going to take a couple of days, so I will be back tomorrow, Wednesday, to check in with everybody and to see how you all did. You can feel free to email me if you have any questions, things like that. But on D2L, there is a link for this worksheet. Those of you that were in class today should have gotten a copy of it. If you didn't, that's okay. But that worksheet right there. And what I'd like you to do is try your best to analyze the Budweiser commercial. The link is provided right there for you. Or, if you YouTube Budweiser Best Buds with the puppy and the horse. So if you see that in it, that's the ad that we're looking for. And then I want you to do the same thing that we did for the Coke ad in class on Friday. So take a look at the Budweiser commercial, watch it a few times, and come up with the ad appeals that are being used, the point of view, position, posture, person speaking, and then what does all that tell you about Budweiser? So go through that, just that one side. Even if you don't finish just the Budweiser part today, that's okay. Then tomorrow, Wednesday, you should be taking a look at the Whirlpool commercial. And then, Wednesday, Thursday is when you should be working on that short paragraph about, what's the biggest similarity between the two commercials. So we're just going to take this piece by piece. You have my email address, so if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me there. And I'll see you guys all back here on a video for tomorrow. All right, take care. Bye-bye.